Hey guys, my name is Brandon Stewart, Stewart's Productions. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Enlighten software. It's manufactured by Mege-Lite, based out of San Antonio, Texas. And surprisingly, I was surprised that this manufacturer actually engineer and design the software and make the dongles and everything here in Texas. So let's take a closer look. Here we have the dongle here, as you see, the dongle interface. Basically, when you get it, you're basically going to get this nice little bag that it comes with, this pouch. You can put it in there to store it away, or you can simply, screw it in into your case or whatever you want to put it at. If you want to make it a permanent install, you can. Here on the back, you're going to have two outputs. They both share the same universe. You're going to have a 5-pin and a 3-pin USB input, and basically this is what actually controls the lights, okay, from the software. I actually went out and bought a adapter. It's basically a 5-pin to 3-pin, and I basically plug this in right here, so we have two outputs, so I can use it as a splitter. Or if I want to, and there's some cases where I actually use one of my rack mount splitters that I already have. I have the Elation splitter that I bought a few years back, and also in D6 branch by ADJ that I use for DMX splitting. But this is what the interface looks like. So basically, when you pull it up here, this is going to be pretty much an overview. I'm not going to go into too much detail. But one thing I did like is that you can actually, have all your scenes right here, all your different light shows. Whatever's sharing the same cage right here will pretty much be within that bracket there. So, for example, if you have DJ packages set up like, gold, silver, platinum, you can have gold, silver, platinum. You can have slow, fast, medium, light show, whatever you want to program it to. You can actually customize it any way you want it. You got a master dimmer right here. If you want to dim strictly the moving heads, you can dim strictly the moving heads. And when you add more scenes and stuff, you'll start seeing more of these buttons come across here. This software also actually has a video plug-in. You can play some visuals with it. So if you want to play back some 3D visuals, it's basically to play like looping some stuff that you want to use, like ambient videos. That's what I will mainly use it for. That'll be a future video there. Right here, it's the program side, and when I click over here, this is the playback side. So you got playback and you got program. So this is a really friendly touchscreen, friendly software. So you can adjust dimmer even with the touchscreen right here. So, necessarily, you can just use your touchscreen. It works just fine if you're mainly using it for like your mobile DJ gigs or theater lighting or for a church. This is really good for churches as well. One thing that I liked is, all the different generated scene, like movements you can select for your moving heads, which is pretty nice, and that's a lot. Some programs don't even have that many out there, and this one actually had a lot, and they're continuing to add more to it. This is something else that's pretty neat. If you want to go to groups, you can go to groups right here and select a specific group of fixtures that you want by just pushing one button. You notice that all four of them on the right just highlighted over here. So I just click on different ones, and they're all separately grouped. Really easy to use, straightforward software. Don't get me wrong, there's other softwares that does something similar to this, but not as easy as this. Out of the box, and the tutorials they have on their YouTube page, an amateur can get up and grab this software and basically program it. And as far as getting tech support to help you with this, it's very easy. They're very helpful. They love it when people call and ask about it, or email about it. And like I say, They're made in the U.S. This is a United States-based company here in Texas, down in San Antonio, which is approximately about 4 hours from my house. But anyways, this is what I use it on, a Sony laptop. So that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Yeah, check out the Enlighten software by Mege-Lite. I know a couple buddies of mine. Big shout out to Jay Taylor, Mike Stewart here in Fort Worth, Texas, Dallas Fort Worth. We're using it, and I went to the training. Very helpful. $75 well spent. You know, and they gave me a free t-shirt and fed us. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and post the links below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos coming soon.